and gentlemen, welcome to an exclusive lodging review. Okay, keyword lodging. This is very exciting, very exciting. I am talking very low, and I apologize for the fan behind me, if you can hear the fan. But number one, I am filming on an iPhone, so you probably can tell that the quality is a little better. And number two, this is a very exciting review. We are here in Lethbridge, Canada, or Lethbridge, Alberta, Canada. Here at an Airbnb here for 7 days. 7 days. Ladies and gentlemen, the price will shock you. Of course, take the US conversion and the Canadian version into account here, but 7 days, 7 full days, Monday to Monday. And yeah, let's get going. Without further ado, here we go. So here's the front door here, obviously. It is a nice little unit here, especially when you walk in. It looks like it's community owned. Or not community owned, but there's more rooms, like it's not just me. It looks like there are several units, which is fairly nice. You come in and get a little access code, walk up the stairs, and everything is so secure. Lots of cameras and stuff like that. Obviously, there is not one in my room, thank goodness, but there is one on the outside of the rooms and outside the building for security, which is fantastic. Yes, and this place is very secure. For example, here's the lock here, all right, and it is very secure. Let me just, like, there you go. I mean, there you go. Like, it is so secure, ladies and gentlemen. Here is the front door. Of course, you walk in, you got a little shoe mat here, a little mat. Here we go. I am shocked. Look at this, man. Look at this. Get your own little table with a built-in chess checkerboard here. All right, look at that. Look at that. 3 little seating chairs there. All right, not bad at all. We'll swing over here to the bathroom. So the bathroom is around the corner, a little trash can right there. Here's the bathroom. All right, nice little bathroom. All right, little sink, nice, kind of lovely countertop. All right, here we go with the hand soap. Nice little mirror there. Hello. I wonder if this is one of those little storage deals. It is. I'm just pulling on the wrong side. Oh, look at that. Comes with the first aid kit. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Nice little first aid kit. I love that. Okay. There's a little hand towel there, which is nice. All right, and of course you have your shower, nice big shower. All right, open it up. Oh, look at that. They have the containers there with the shampoo, conditioner, and the body wash. All right, of course, I will not be using that, but it's very nice. It is provided. A nice little shower. You can, look at that rainfall shower there, and you can take it off too with the wand. Very nice, very nice. Okay. Don't mind me if I'm a little rusty with the lodging reviews. All right, here we go. Nice little toilet, nice and clean. Little trash can in the corner. Do we have anything down here? Oh yeah, everything you need. Cleaning stuff, some Method, extra toilet paper, a little hair dryer down there that I obviously do not need. A toilet brush and the bowl cleaner. Very, very nice. All right, we'll move on to the kitchen area, ladies and gentlemen. All right, here we go. All right, so nice little mini kitchenette area here. Very nice. Of course, you got your counter space up top here. You have your microwave here. You have a nice 2-burner system here. All right, 2 little burners here for cooking. All right, and I believe this does come with dishes. Okay, so you do have like some ceiling stuff, some little wrap, and some little baggies. Open this up. Oh yeah, look at that. So you do get dishes provided with this with this Airbnb stay. There you go. Little things up here. You got some cups up there, some bowls and whatnot. You got the silverware here, like some salt and pepper, and a nice grater, some coasters there. All right, this is fantastic. All right. Nice cooking utensils, the knives, the paper towels, utensils there. Stainless steel sink with a little scrubby there and a little plug there. All right, but ladies and gentlemen, that's not it. I believe this is the fridge. Yes, it is. Look at that. your fridge and your freezer up top here. Nice freezer. Oh man, they provided the ice for me. How nice. There we go. Nice little fridge. Nice, decent sized fridge, man. How cool. Looks like this is another, that's just under the sink, just all the plumbing. Oh, look at that. It does come with this. Oh, it comes with laundry pods and dishwasher pads and dish soap. How nice is that, man? Looks like a dish drying rack and an oven mitt there as well. How cool is this, man? How cool is this? Wow. Do not get a lot of lodging things that provide these things for you, ladies and gentlemen. And nonetheless, the dishwasher. Little mini dishwasher gets the job done. Look at this. A mini dishwasher. That's so fucking cool, dude. Wow, wow, wow. I mean, if I were to tell you that this is just the beginning, ladies and gentlemen, this is just the beginning. How cool is this? Let's go. So you have this little walkway here, all right? It's a window, all right? And then you do have this little area here. Looks like they're kind of doing some stuff up here. I'm not even worried about that. It looks fine to me, okay? Okay, sorry if this is really loud. Actually, let me turn this down here. Just turn that off there. All right, look at that. Nice little coffee maker. I've never seen a coffee maker like this before, but also I am in Canada, so that might be why. Nice little coffee maker here. Got some Tim Hortons provided for me there, and then some sugars and whatnot back there. Ladies and gentlemen, comes with a toaster oven. A toaster oven. Look at that, man. Look at that. How cool is that? Not only that, but a water kettle. Look at this. This is insane, ladies and gentlemen. I promise you, I know you're probably thinking 7 minutes in right now. Just wait until the end when I do the price, because this is going to blow your mind. Okay, here we go. And here is the room. Look at this, man. Look at that. Okay, let's go. That's my belongings right there. A nice little fan. Oh, look at that. I mean, nice little view outside. Look at that, man. Look at that. Okay, nice little fan here. Looks like a heater and a fan, kind of. It sure is. All right, and then it also has an eco setting as well, which I love eco setting. Anything that's eco-friendly, I'll take it. Okay, nice little seating area here. Look at that, which is very nice. Another window there. Look at this, okay? We got a nice little seating area here with the little lamp there. Ladies and gentlemen, look at the bed here. Look at a nice queen size looking bed, man. Look at this. How beautiful is that? And they provide the towels for me. And look at that. A nice little Kit Kat. That's nice, man. See, I love these people right from the get-go when I had to start having a conversation with these folks here. And I'll put their names up on the screen if they allow me to. But I just knew right off the bat. Look at this. All right, here we go. Nice little painting here. It looks like Times Square, I believe. I could be wrong. Looks like Times Square in New York City. Nice little painting here, which is very nice. Or not painting, sorry. A nice little picture. All right, here we go. Nice little rack. All right, here we go. Nice little rack here. Some hangers to hang stuff on. A little broom in the back. All right, it's very nice just to do some cleaning. Ladies and gentlemen, look at this. A nice 50-inch TV, dude. Look at that. Let me tell you, I'm here for 10 days. 7 days. I can't count. I'm here for 7 days, okay? I will be chilling out in this room, man. Let me tell you, I got some days to catch up on some sleep, which is very nice. And yes, let's continue. Looks like a little Wi-Fi router there, indoor cable, nice little tissues there, all right? And nice little dresser here. Look at this. Look at that. Nice little dresser. Okay, right here is all the Wi-Fi information. Obviously, I'm not showing that. Yeah, all for me and paying customers. But anyway, that's all that's right there. Don't worry about that. And then look at that. Nice little snack bag there. Look, I mean, nice little snack bucket. Two little things of water, some Sun Chips, and some oatmeal, which I probably will be eating that oatmeal. But just look at this, man. We're gonna take one more quick walkthrough. Look at this. You walk in, you see all this right here. All right, you get the little kitchen, nice little mini kitchen. A very, very nice bathroom, okay? And then we move on to this little walkway area to coffee and your toaster oven and your water kettle there. And then you get this. You get the room. Look at that. Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you right now that this was, and I'll put the Canadian conversion, but for US, this was just under $400 US. Let me tell you, I'm not lying. I will put the conversions up on the screen. Now, I did add some travel insurance as well, which was about $25 US. Again, I'll put that conversion up on the screen. But just in case, because I'm in another country, you never know. It does, there's some trip protection, just in case of any, lost luggage or anything, just to back me up. You never know. Especially when you're in another country. $25 for the week. It's better to be safe than sorry. Leave this video a like, thumbs up, smash the like button. Okay, it sounds very weird to say that, but smash the like button. Share this with the folks you know. Share this with the folks you don't know. This is one lovely room, let me tell you. And hit the subscribe button for more videos. We're getting ready to start cranking out videos, man. I promise. I know I say that every time, but now I have more time, so we're gonna start cranking out videos. I got a lot of ideas. So anyway, like, subscribe, share this with the folks you know, share this with the folks you don't know. I'm getting ready to crash out, so I will see you guys in the next video. Shout out to Liz and Dan. Thank you so much for letting me stay at this wonderful Airbnb. Had a fantastic time. Getting ready to check out here in a few minutes. So yes, thanks so much. If you guys want to check out the Airbnb, it is linked down below. Had a phenomenal time. 10 out of 5 stars for sure. Just want to give a little shout out. Thanks so much, Liz and Dan, so much. Check out their Airbnb. Had a wonderful time.